Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to master Google Password Manager in 2026. First, open Google Chrome and go to Google Password Manager. This is your secure place to store and manage all your passwords. Start by opening the Passwords section. Here, you'll find all your saved accounts. Select any account to view, edit, or update your login information whenever needed. If you want to save a new account manually, click the Add button. Enter the website username and password, then click Save. Next, go to the Checkup section. Google Password Manager will check your saved passwords for any security issues and let you know if any passwords need your attention. After that, open Settings. Turn on Offer to save passwords so Chrome can save new passwords automatically. Also, enable Auto Sign-In to sign in faster to your saved accounts. Finally, use the Search Passwords bar to quickly find any saved account instead of scrolling through the entire list. And that's it. You now know the essential features of Google Password Manager and how to use them to manage your passwords safely and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.